Hello Uniqlo, it's November 2020 and I'm heading up to the UP 2020 section and they have Demon Slayer right now for the new offerings of shirts and a couple of ones on sale which I plan to get, including EVA and Gundam. What's up guys, Timzster here at Uniqlo, and as you can see they have a lot of awesome selections for anime and other UP designs. So if you're into Demon Slayer, yeah, they have it. Other anime shirts, the $3.90. Looking good, but that's what I'm after. The Gundam shirts. And they are also $3.90 on sale. They've been out for a couple of months. And I want to get some, which I haven't gotten yet. There's EVA also. Check out those designs. So if you're a fan of all of these shows, or some of them, visit Uniqlo. That's all. Just a little showcase for you guys. Yeah, there's the Hyakushi from Zeta Gundam. There's the Strike Freedom from Gundam Seed Destiny. Old school Gundam model kit shirts of the Grandpa Gundam. And so much more. Just visit Uniqlo. Ciao.